Hello. So, we're gonna try to make this sound like this. And I think we need a sine wave. Boring, I know, but it works. And we're gonna pitch it up, I think. Like that. Add some attack and just remove the sustain. So, and then we add some very fast tremolo like this. Turn up the range like that. We can have it on bipolar. No, unipolar. Sorry. It's not a bipolar synth. Depressed as hell. Like that. Happy or depressed. Nothing in between. And then we add another, not LFO, but we'll add an envelope. No sustain, just decay. And it's going to start at high and then go low. Like that. I can also change the form, the shape, I mean, of the envelope. So I'm gonna try to do like this. I think that's pretty close already. You can also add some attack on this. So it goes up and then goes down, but I have it turned it up. Whoa. So that's what envelopes does to the pitch. We can add it to random. Bird. Oh, I've got to turn it up. Add some distortion. So it becomes like squarish. Something like that. So that's basically it. I'm using a synth called Surge. But you can use any kind of synth that has envelopes and sine wave LFO. Just experiment and have fun. If you have any questions, just ask. All right, bye.